Greeting to my lecturer Miss Anne and fellow friend who watched this video. I hope everyone doing safe in this MCO. I am Putri Nur Aisyah Shahlia binti Muhammad Shahlan, metric number A176530. I am from Group 1 Mental Illness. Today I will react a video that titled Brain and Mental Health. Based on the video I have watched, the video started with the mental health definition. Mental health refers to cognitive, behavioral, and emotional well-being. It is all about how people think, feel, and behave. People sometimes use the term mental health to mean the absence of a mental disorder. There are three main factors: biological, psychological, and environmental. The first point, biological. Mental illness with imbalance in chemical in the brain called neurotransmitters. These chemicals play a role in the use of the cell in the brains in relation one another. These chemicals will affect the brain function. The most chemical messaging is glutamate. The enhancement will induce signal or impulses to another neurons. People with mental illnesses such as autism, OCD, schizophrenia, Alzheimer, depression may have trouble making or using this glutamate. Second is serotonin. Serotonin works to control hunger and sleep. Depression often does not have enough serotonin to overcome. The last chemical in neuron is dopamine. Dopamine will help regulate movement and it is associated with addiction. Low level of dopamine of the brain, low level of dopamine or the brain having problem using it may be related to schizophrenia disorder or ADHD or other disorders. This is the basis of the medicine used to treat mental illness. Genetics also contributes to this health condition. Family members of the patient are more likely face the same disease. However, they are more complex and involve many genes. Infection and brain injuries can also cause to mental illness. In addition, factors such as substance abuse and exposure to toxic substances may play a role as well. Second point is psychology. Psychology factors used for mental disorders include severe psychological trauma in childhood, such as emotional, physical, or sexual abuse, ignored by family, or fail in relationship with others. And the last is environment. Something that happens around an individual can stimulate mental illness among those at risk. This includes stressful life situation such as financial problems, a loved one death, or a divorce. Traumatic experience such as military combat or an assault or bullying. Few friends or few healthy relationships may also contribute to mental illness. Sleeping problems, domestic and family violence, and lastly, alcohol and other drug use. That's all from me. Thank you.